Hello everybody, my name is Asandubia. I'm going to talk about permits to work. Permit to work is very important to have this one in every facility. Before any job is being commenced which required permits to work, it should be issued to the contractors that are coming to work in that facility. For example, hot work permits can be issued to a contractor who is coming to do a welding work or coming for renovations, etc. So this permit to work, in filling this permit to work, they have to fill the type of work they are doing, right? Whether it's safe to work, right, or hot work permit, or electrical voltage, etc. So he has to fill this one. In part 1 says that to fill in person, they have to fill it in person. Then they have to fill the nature of this work, whether it's constructions or repairment or excavation, etc. They have to fill this one, right? Then also you're looking at the location where they are working. They have to put the location where they are working and the departments that is being affected, right? Then we're talking about description of the work, which type of work they are going to do, like if they are going to clear the AC dots, if they are going to shift it, or demolition, etc. Different types of work, or construction, like making partition, etc. Right? Then we're talking about part 2, which talk about the safety precautions, like which equipment they are going to use, which it's safety, like for example the hats, then the safety shoe, whether they are using scaffold, etc., like safety goggles. So which equipment they have in their possession that they are going to use, so we have to take it into considerations. Then also you have to look at who is issuing this working permits, right? He has to sign, right? Like our safety manager, facility managers, they have to sign this one, right? Then the permits, the person that is doing this work, right, he has to also sign, right? Then who approve this one? Like our boss, our manager, they approve it, they have to sign there also. Then after they finish this work also, they have to sign. Then also we're talking about the safe operating procedures, like what tools they are using. They are using tools box, then they are using they have to clear that area, then they have to work in a restricted area, then they have to install barrier or barricade that area. Then after the conclusion of this job, right, they complete this work, they have to sign. If this job is not complete, right, they have to suspend the work, right? So there is every box there to be filled.